Looking for a dependable ink solution for your HP printer? The 61XL Ink Cartridge Combo Pack offers a seamless replacement for your HP 61 cartridges, delivering crisp black and vibrant color prints. Designed specifically for popular HP models like NV 4500 and OfficeJet 4630, this combo pack ensures your printing needs are covered without compromise. Inside the package, you'll find two cartridges, one 61XL black and one 61XL tricolor, plus a user guide to make installation straightforward. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP printers, including the NV 4500 series, OfficeJet 4600 series, and DeskJet 2500 and 3000 series. That means you can trust this combo to work smoothly across multiple devices. What really stands out is the high page yield. Each black cartridge prints up to 750 pages, while the tricolor cartridge handles about 450 pages at standard 5% coverage on letter or A4 paper. This means fewer cartridge changes and more uninterrupted printing, whether you're working on documents, photos, or school projects. Keep in mind, this is a non-OEM product, offering a cost-effective alternative without sacrificing quality. Cool Toner's cartridges are rigorously tested to meet performance standards, so you get consistent, sharp results every time. If you want to avoid overpriced OEM options while maintaining print quality, this pack is worth a look. Installation is quick and hassle-free, letting you get back to printing faster. The included user guide walks you through the setup, ensuring compatibility and proper use. Plus, the cartridges are designed to fit perfectly, preventing leaks or errors that can disrupt your workflow. Whether you print frequently or occasionally, this combo pack delivers reliable performance and excellent value. It's ideal for home offices, students, or anyone needing a steady supply of quality ink without breaking the bank. The broad compatibility also means you won't need different cartridges for different printers. If you're ready to upgrade your ink supply with a trusted, budget-friendly option, the 61XL Ink Cartridge Combo Pack fits the bill. It balances high yield, broad compatibility, and solid print quality in one convenient package. Try it when you're ready to enjoy smooth, vivid printing without the usual hassle. Don't settle for less when it comes to your printer's ink. The 61XL Combo Pack delivers what you need: sharp text, vibrant colors, and lasting performance. Keep your HP printer running smoothly and your documents looking professional with this reliable ink replacement.